Hello billionaires, welcome to my channel. My name is Precious Malaji. I trust you guys are living the life that you want to live. You know the drill. You're happy with where you are in life, and you're not giving a damn about what people think about you, your hustle, what you do, how you do it. You're just doing the best and living your best life. So today it is a Sunday, as you can see. I literally almost just woke up. Like on Sundays these days, guys, I just sleep, you know. So I literally just woke up. It's a Sunday. I haven't had breakfast. It's 12 o'clock. So I'm currently, yeah, I think I'm just addicted to working. I'm just addicted to working. I think I've come to a point where, like, I can't think of anything else to do. Like I just wanna work. So I literally just woke up. But not that I woke up earlier on. I just sat down with my daughter, and spent some time with family, and I went back to sleep again. So I'm waking up right now again. As you can see, I'm still wearing my gown. So I'm about to plan for my week. So how I normally do it is that I go through the things that I was supposed to do last week and check if I accomplished all of them, or all of them are done. And if not, I'll just make a note of that on the next week and try to fit it in the next week. Then also think of what I'm supposed to be doing the following week. New things, old things, new ideas, and places to go if I have to go somewhere, people to call if I have to call someone, follow-ups if I have to follow up on something, someone, a proposal or whatever. And yeah, I'm just trying to plan my week as best as I can, but normally that is not exactly how it goes, because things change as days go by, and sometimes as hours go by. You find that I wake up on a Monday, I only have a few things to do, or I have a whole lot of things to do, but my week changes because something new came up and it needs me to maybe go somewhere and travel quite a few hours. So it becomes difficult for me to accomplish all the things that I'm supposed to be doing. Another thing that I want to learn how to do more, and which is something I've actually started doing more of, is learning to delegate as much as I can, so that I can free up my time to actually strategize, because as the owner and the leader and the director of the company, you need to be strategizing instead of implementing. Yes, implement, execute, but you cannot be running operations. You need to be strategic. Your role is strategic. You need to be growing the company, not actually doing all the operational things. So that's what I've been doing a lot of recently. So yeah, I'm trying to plan for my the weather is amazing. Let me show you my view. My view is always amazing, guys. Like this is my view from the view from my room. This is the view from my room. This is where I actually meditate. And yeah, I really love this view, and I really like, it's private, it's refreshing, it's fresh air, it's green. I mean, hello. Hello. Yes, guys, currently planning. So how I normally do it is that I just go through my week and check calculations. Yeah, so I just go through my week and check all the things that I was supposed to do, and then schedule. We're currently here, so I'm currently planning for the week all the things that I remember to do. And then yeah, so currently I've got this one I've already done. This is done already. I just did it right now. Yeah, as I'm saying, guys, I think I'm just addicted to work. I don't know if it's addiction or I just can't think of anything else better to do. There's a thin line. There's a very thin line. So I've already done some of the things that I'm supposed to be doing on Monday. Yeah, so yeah, guys, let's see how this week rolls out. Maybe this is gonna be a vlog. I doubt it's gonna be a vlog. I always start vlogs, I never finish them because I forget to record. I forget, like, and filming while running a business and filming while actually trying to be productive, it just does not work for me. I don't know how people do it, but yeah, let's see how this week rolls out, guys. Have a productive week. I decided to go to the farm later on that day, guys. Normally I go to the farm on Sundays afternoon. So on this particular day, it was so dirty, like there was just paper everywhere, so I had to make a plan. That's why I just decided to start cleaning the place and actually, yeah, clean farm, clean fruits, right? Clean farm, clean plants. I also had to give the dogs these pills because wow, they are being attacked by ticks, hey?
My mom needs one paper. Ah. I'm not gonna touch it, mommy. Looks big. Here goes the rubbish. Oh, look at that fire. So cool, Jessica. Look at this fire. Ew. Now everything is closing the fire here. Here there was a fire. And also here. No more fire for now. Until it ends. No, 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 just put it. Just put it. Oh my gosh, my mom is just scared of this petrol. She's even laughing. That one. Ah, my mommy is such scary. Let's just look at the bottom. What's it gonna do? Oh, that fire looks nice, huh? But not safe. That bottle over there, that green bottle, can't you see? Yes, you can. Cruise out. My mom, I can't believe it. Are you doing? Who are shouting me to do it? I am doing it, guys. And who are shouting me to not do it? Still doing it, guys. Oh, there's nothing. Look at this. It's stuck. Ah. Be careful of fire. This is not something to play with. I am not playing with. Oh my gosh. This is made out of plastic. What my mom is doing. That looks funny, hey? We're just gonna look at the bottle.